Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this AMEGAT LCG 1010 wireless charging pad for your iPhone or any device that really uses wireless charging. The great thing about this is that it has magnetic interface for your phone. So if it has that, such as MagSafe for iPhone, it'll easily snap on and start charging. Once it recognizes that there is a phone that is charging, it will go ahead and start spinning this fan. This fan has cooling technology that will go ahead and speed up the wireless charging process by quite a bit. Using convection heat transfer, it just goes ahead and gets rid of some of the heat. And usually with wireless charging, there is some heat loss that slows down the charging. So this basically lowers that. It doesn't come with this wall brick here, but I went ahead and purchased this separately. And look at that, super smooth, also from AMEGAT. It's called the Omnia 2, 30 watts, and it's super convenient and allowed me to plug this into the wall and get going at the full capacity. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like while it's charging the iPhone. Right now I've got this thing plugged in. As you can see, the cool thing is that it tells you the temperature of the interface as it is charging. Right now it's at 26 degrees Celsius and it's lit up, so that means it's ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and place the phone on and we'll take a look at the fan and what it says back here. Alrighty, so I got an iPhone 15 Pro right here. I'm gonna go ahead and place that on. And look at that, it gives me the wireless charging logo right there. I flip it around and you can see that fan spinning, you can hear it, and already the temperature has dropped by a few degrees Celsius, and it should just keep on dropping to go ahead and allow for the full capacity of charging that's available, which is how these chargers really should work. Overall, I highly recommend this wireless charger from AMEGAT. Thanks for watching.